how to use DoorDash app for the very first time. So first thing that you need to do is make sure that DoorDash food delivery is installed on your phone. So after installing the application, you can simply open it. This is the first page that you will be seeing. If you already have your account, DoorDash will remember you. So all you need to do is continue as your account, or if you haven't signed up yet, if you do not have your account yet, then what you're going to do is tap on sign in or sign up to another account. So after doing that one, in here tap on sign up, and now what you're going to do is add in your first name, last name, your email address and your phone number, then tap on sign up. So in here, if you want to continue with any of those platforms, you can also do that. So for now, I already have my account, so I'm going to continue as my account. So after logging into your account, this is the first homepage that you will be seeing, from where you can now select any of the items that you want to order. So in here you can see there are many filters right here, so you can select on any of them. So let's just say I have some mood for burgers, so I'm going to tap on burgers, and in here you can now find multiple different restaurants that do have burgers in them. So let's just tap on any of them just like this, and in order to add any of the item on my cart, what I'm going to do is scroll down and simply tap on that plus icon in order to add it to my cart. So let's go back in here, and we also can see a lot of different filters right here too. So in here, if you ever want to just like go to some other things, other items rather than food, what you can do is select on them. So let's just say for sports, what do we have? We have all of these stores for sports, so let's tap on any of them, and in here you can see these are all of the items that DoorDash do provide as a delivery service rather than just food. So in here you can go back, and if you ever want to just get deals in anything, here you can tap on the option deals right here, and you will be getting all of the items or the stores that currently have deals or some kind of discount on them. So these were some things about adding it to your cart. So if you ever want to reserve to any of the restaurant, you can also tap on the option reservations right here, and then you can select a particular particular restaurant in order to set your reservations. So in here you can see the profile icon, bell icon and the cart option on the top right corner. So if you simply tap on the profile icon, you'll be able to see all of your settings and all of the profile details of your account. If you tap on the bell-like icon right here, you'll be able to see all of your notifications of your account. And in here, lastly, if you tap on this particular card icon, you will be able to view your card, from where you can see I have multiple different cards. You can now check out any of them. Tap on view card, and we will be able to simply buy all of these items. So in here you can see these are all of the totals of the items on your cart. Tap on continue, and you can now go along with the process of how you can pay for it. So for the last option that we have is this search icon right here. You can now search for anything on this particular search icon, like it will show anything that is available on your DoorDash. So if you simply tap on this ask option right here, now you will be able to talk to the AI agent of DoorDash. So if you do have any kind of questions, you can simply ask to it. And yeah, that's it.